So I have connected my Mac to the graphics tablet and also installed the necessary drivers from the XP website, and now we can see how it performs. So I am just moving my tablet. I am not touching the surface and the cursor is moving on the screen. Now let's draw something. So there is no lag. As I write, it's writing here on the screen, and I can pretty much write in my own handwriting and also draw things. So it works fine and I don't see any issue with it. So I will give more review after long uses. I have just used this tablet for a few minutes and it looks good. So I have kept the tablet here on the surface. So I was seeing some flickering here. Okay, because the pen was moving. Okay, so that was the brief review of the Star G640s, and thanks for watching, and give your feedbacks on the comment section.